Jacob, what a sweet loving dog you have here.
Yes, I do. Her name is Kira. She's 6 months old. She's a good little puppy. She is a Coonhound mix.
Oh, she's plenty of loving. She's ready for her training.
Yep.
Her puppy training. Oh, golly. And you said she likes other dogs.
Yeah, she loves to play with other dogs. She's real social. She gets along great with everybody.
And she obviously likes people too.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, very much.
Sit.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
girl.
Good girl. Good girl. Let's see how she walks. Take her for a walk. And remember now, she's just a puppy and she's a hound dog. Hound dogs like to sniff and explore. But look how well she's doing, huh? You're doing really well on your walk, girl, for a puppy dog. My goodness. What a beautiful girl. She's got the
nice
classic
fluffy
coonhound.
ears.
Pretty brown eyes and a great smile. And she's always smiling when she's being petted.
Oh, yes.
We've noticed that. You pet her and she's going to, or show her any affection, and she's just going to be just a happy girl. And a leaner too, leans in on you for affection.
She's just the sweetest little puppy.
And light, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's just light as a feather. So a good size for a house dog, I would say. She's probably going to grow a little bit, you think?
Yeah, she's still getting into her paws.
Yeah.
Maybe about a medium size.
She's a happy puppy and should be so much happier in a forever home with you. So please come see this love bug. This is Kira. She's at the Nassau Humane Society, 639 Airport Road in Fernandina Beach, across the street from the city airport. What a sweetheart she is. Please come see sweet Kira. Come get some puppy kisses.